Okay, let's go walk with the folks. Temperature out here is 21 Fahrenheit. It feels like 12 Fahrenheit. I'll put that in Celsius later on the video. We're supposed to have rain the next 4 days. Sleet and freezing rain overnight tonight.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Come on. We've got corn out there for the deers, but I haven't been seeing no deers. When it gets really super cold, we put corn out for them. The neighbor's not doing it no more, seems like. Yeah, Shelly filled up this double-decker bird feeder, but it's going down. Seems like the top one goes down before the bottom one. But then it has a tube in the top one there, so anything that filled up in that tube will go back into the bottom one also. What you guys doing? Oh, Barkley's peeing. Good boy, Barkley, good boy. She's just sniffing. The pipe pans are banging. A couple of the pipe pans blew off a while back, and I just put them back in the house. I got more pipe pans too. This spring I just put them back up. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Good girl, Lucy. And I'm gonna put out some milkweed seeds today, because we're supposed to get some rain. It's cold. I got them in the fridge. Try to draw some butterflies, monarch butterflies to the yard. And that bird feeder's going down also. But the birds make a big mess down here. Look at all the seeds. I guess they throw out what they don't like. Let's go now. That's why I got a mixture of seeds. I don't know what they like. They don't tell me. Thank the folks for walking with us. Thank the folks. Say thank you. Thank you for walking.